say happy holidays. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Are you ready for more? Ooh, let me just say, this is the first time I'm officially meeting this group in person, and mas pogi pala sila sa personal! At umaapaw pa ng talento dito sa stage. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'm sure you all know that these boys are a global talent, international, cooperating lab, mainly in South Korea. So, I think it's time that we also greet them in Korean. Kaya niyo po ba? In 3, 2, 1! Lakasan pa natin! 3, 2, 1! Grabe, what an honor to be here with all of you guys today and all of the passionate anchors in the house. My name is Kuya Sho, or Sho Suzuki, and as a half Japanese, half Korean national, I feel like such a strong connection. I feel like they have such a strong connection here. And also, alam kong mahirap mamili ng bias dito kasi ang talented yung lahat and you all have your individuality. Pero out of curiosity, sino mga bias nyo? Wala na akong narinig. Nagka-clash na lahat ng names. Oh man, it is so hard, almost impossible to choose. Although, I will add na meron akong konting history with one of the members here. Grabe! Siyempre, none other than, yes! My man Marcus was part of the SM Little Stars Contest. Tama ba? Oo. Siyempre, alam niyo naman siguro na hindi kami magka-match. But I did host it and you won! Yeah. Grabe! Ibang klase rin yung talent ni Marcus. Tama ba? Oh, asan yung Marcus Bias? Yeah! Man, you have grown up to be such a talented, good-looking man. Deserve mo to.
I appreciate that, Kuya Sho, and it really means a lot to me to finally be on stage with you.
Grabe!
Yeah, because even like during quarantine, we used to, post events together.
I know, that was all through Zoom too. Yeah. And now we get to do this together on stage. You have reached such great heights, and I cannot wait to see where else you guys are going to go, because you guys are truly world-class. Another big round of applause for Horizon, everybody! All right, thank you, man, thank you. Another quick treat for all of you here, because I know you love your photos and filters and social media. If you take a look at our screen, mag-flash po tayo ng QR code. Yes, you guys can flash that and use our Ho-Ho Holiday Hangout with Horizon Filter. Ayan na po siya. So scan nyo po yan para magamit nyo ang ating filters so you can show off. Yes. Ayan, sabi tayo para makita nila. Para pwede nyo ipakita sa mundo na kayo ay proud anchor. Proud anchor ba kayo? Yes. And of course, we do have our hashtag as well. Hashtag Ho-Ho Holiday with Horizon. But for now, we want to get to know the boys a little bit longer. Okay lang po ba? Okay lang po ba? Kausapin muna natin sila. Siyempre, they need to rest too before they give us more performances. And ito ang masaya. Sino ang gusto umakyat mamaya to play some games with us? Alright, you better get ready. Kasi balita ko, totoo ba guys, na your anchors are just as talented sa dancing at singing?
Yes, they are!
Oh,
100%.
Ang galing talaga kasi not only you boys can showcase your dance prowess on stage, pati yung anchors din, they're so passionate and they learn for the best. But it is the holiday season after all. Happy holidays. Tanong lang no, paano ba mag-Merry Christmas in Korean?
Di po din namin alam. Happy Money! Pero alam ko lang po is Happy New Year.
Happy New Year in, well, malapit na rin mag-New Year. Paano ba?
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. O, diba? Ako yung Koreana pero sila yung tumuturo ng Korea dito. Ang galing. Okay, eto I do want to ask you, Marcus, it is the holiday season. Siyempre, Christmas season now. We all love giving gifts. What is the most meaningful gift, Christmas gift, you have ever given and received?
I think this is gonna hit two birds in one stone. And I'm gonna talk specifically about this Christmas. The best gift I ever received is to be here in the Philippines after a long time and seeing yung mga anchors namin ngayon. Yeah, because last year it was our first time to celebrate Christmas sa Korea, pero we didn't really get to do it with other people and with our families. So this is definitely a long-awaited moment for all seven.
That's so beautiful. Na-homesick ka ba ng slide before?
Yes, slide.
A little bit.
Yes.
Na-miss mo ang Pilipinas.
Yes.
Ang tanong, na-miss nyo rin ba si Marcos? Yes! Beautiful. So, ano ba yung nasa wishlist mo ngayon? Meron ba specifically?
Siguro makakain ng strawberry taho.
Ano yun?
Makakain ng strawberry taho.
Strawberry taho! Okay, sige. Let's talk to Kim din naman. Kim, if you could spend Christmas anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Gusto mo Christmas?
Sa akin po, gusto ko pumunta ng Bacolod kaso na-late na po ako mag-book.
Ay! So, paano na?
So sa mga sister and brother ko na lang po. And ayun, gusto ko sana mag-celebrate kaso super mahal na yung ticket.
Oh no!
Ayun,
Pero masaya pa rin naman yung Christmas kahit saan. Basta nasa Pilipinas ka.
siguro
diba?
makipag-video ko na lang sa mga other
Ay, okay, we super appreciate you spending your time with us here. It's the holiday season, busy time talaga. What about Tyler? Tyler, if you could plan a perfect Christmas party, what theme would it be and what activities would you have?
Feel ko po parang festival. Festival.
Festival? So, an all-out holiday festival?
Yeah. And tingin ko yung pwedeng activities na pwede kong maihatag sa kanila is yung alam niyo yung paper dance.
Yung alin?
Paper dance.
Paper text?
Dance.
Dance. Paper dance. Paper dance. Paano ka?
For example, like may ka-partner ka.
Tatayo maliit yung paper. Tama ba?
Yeah, that's right.
Parang ang say nun, maraming matutuwa kung may opportunity sila to do the paper dance with Kyler. Sino ba ang willing to do a paper dance with Kyler? Ay, marami. Pero parang kulang yata yung papel namin. We'll see what we can do. Thank you so much, Kyler. Lastly, Racer, ano yung favorite Christmas memory mo? And what inspires you during the holidays?
Yung favorite memory ko sa Christmas is lumalabas ako lagi tuwing umaga para magkape.
Pwede mo naman yata gawin yun kahit hindi Christmas, di ba?
Ang lamig talaga pag this
The weather. Ang lamig din ng Pasko dito, no? Minsan. Lalo na kung kung single ka ba, ganon. Okay, thank you so much, boys. You know what? We cannot get enough of you, and we want more performances from you later on. But for now, we're gonna give them a quick break. Let's give them another big round of applause. Let them cool off a little bit, maybe drink some water. Maraming salamat, boys. We will see you in a little bit. Pero alam ko kanina pa kayo, no? Yung iba dito, since the afternoon pa. Kaya pa ba ng energy nyo? Uy! Parang hindi pa ako ganun ka-convinced, guys. Sa dami-dami ko lang na-host na fan mates, parang feeling ko kaya nyo pa. I need more than that. So again,